Are you looking to clean up your activity on Instagram from your PC? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a post you've shared on Instagram with the new update. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your account on Instagram from your PC. Once you're in, look for the More icon, or the three dots, at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all the posts you've shared on Instagram. You can find your posts in the Photos and Videos section or the Posts section. Once you've located the post you want to delete, click on Select on the post. Now you can choose the specific post you want to get rid of. Once you've selected it, click on Delete and confirm the action. And just like that, the post will be removed from your activity on Instagram. It's as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you can keep your Instagram feed looking clean and organized. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching.